Dr. N. Saxena, former Additional Secretary, Government of India. Shri B.C. Bora, Chairman, Steering Committee, World Petrocoal Congress. Dr. A.K. Balyan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Office, Petronet LNG Limited. Mr. Lin Tu, Executive Director, Clean Coal Technologies, South Africa. Shri Anil K. Garg, President, World Petrocoal Congress. Mr. Dennis Medley, Counselor, Australian High Commission. Mr. B.S. Negi, Member, Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to learn that the three-day World Petrocoal Congress 2011 is concluding today after long deliberations on the issues pertinent to both petroleum and coal sectors. I have been told that this is for the first time in the world petroleum and coal sectors are addressing the common issues and challenges to focus on the energy security of our country for driving synergy in energy sector. The global energy scenario in recent times has witnessed widening gap between demand and supply of these vital and depleting energy resources. To provide an adequate, affordable, and sustainable supply of environmentally safe energy to the people of India is a big challenge. Worldwide, the industry is meeting these challenges through collaborative efforts and global cooperation in areas of new technology initiatives and knowledge management to further cut costs and minimize risks in an environmentally safe manner. I am happy that the organizers of World Petrocoal Congress have involved the stakeholders from these primary energy sectors for greater understanding of the issues in these sectors. The fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas will continue to dominate the world's energy mix for decades to come, and it should be our endeavor to conserve and improve efficient use of these fuels with due regard to growing environmental concerns. At the same time, we have to increase the share of renewable energy in our energy mix. India is facing tough challenges in meeting the energy requirements, and the rapidly growing demand is outpacing the supply. But the fact that more than 600 million people do not have access to electricity even today implies the responsibility on our part in addressing various issues coming in the way and providing lifeline energy to all. Events like this Congress are expected to deliberate on the concerned issues and bring out possible solutions for consideration of the government. International cooperation is a must in addressing the issues of climate change and adopting clean technologies in the energy sector. These are great technological challenges in the energy sector which provide new opportunities for innovation and collaboration. I am confident that the deliberations in the Congress will facilitate this task and identify areas for future collaborations. I am sure the knowledge sharing and technology display during this International Congress and exhibition will be rewarding and a learning experience for all and provide opportunities for vibrant global cooperation. I congratulate one and all in making this event a great success. Thank you. Thank you very much.